half marathon training.
20 weeks pregnant.
Sun is very much in the way. Today's run is a 20-minute speed run, and it's a hill run, and I think I just kind of drove around my neighborhood and tried to find something I can run up. I think I found something, so we're gonna go do that.
When the crowd screams out, you're screaming your name. Hope if everybody runs, you choose to stay.
Holy crap, that was probably the hardest run that I've done in so long. I ran up and down that 10 times.